Welcome to the Barefoot Masters. We have been training massage therapists in continuing education for nearly 20 years. As the largest barefoot provider in the US, we are super excited to be coming to the UK to teach Ashiatsu Bar Massage in Scotland. Hi, I'm Michelle Mace, and I have had numerous requests to come and teach in Europe. Julie McConaughey in Argyll Butte and Campbelltown has graciously offered to host a class. The class is small and we only have a couple of spots left. I invite you to take advantage of this upcoming class in Scotland to learn Ashiatsu. I am also looking for instructors to start teaching across Europe. If you think you might be interested in this exciting opportunity, then you will not want to miss out on this upcoming workshop. Be sure to PM me on Facebook for the details. See you soon!